In this lesson, we are going to list all the messages. Alright, so with the index method, as we have done before, we are going to find all messages in the database, and we are going to order the IDs in a descending order. We're also going to have pagination added to them, so we could navigate the very long lists. Alright, so now that we've done this, we want to go into our view admin message index file. I'm just going to call this messages, and I'm going to get rid of this paragraph here. Alright, so here we are going to iterate over our messages and print out what we need for the view. Alright, so just like the messages, visitors, controller view, I'm going to go a slightly faster pace on this one, and add messages is what we need for pagination. Alright, so the message, we want to print a few things. I'm going to separate them using a line break. The first one will be message. So we want to get the visitor's full name. It's here. Put a break at the end. Copy this line and change a few things. So the second, we want to have the contents. So because it's a long content, we're going to use truncate, and in here we're going to have the message contents that we want to truncate. Alright, so now we give it the length. The length is 60 characters, and then we want to separate them with a space like this. Alright, so the other thing we want to do here is paste what we've copied, and this will be the message status. Now the status, we are going to go ahead and use our helper to convert the status into what we want it to be. Alright, so get rid of this and paste it in here, copy and paste, and then cut this out, delete the white space and replace status. So when it's true, we want this to be red, and when it is false, we want this to be not red. Alright, so the other thing we want to have here, paste what we already have, or just type it, I think is better. So time ago is when it was created, and this would be message dot created at. Alright, and then we have another line break there. Finally, we want to have a way of deleting a message. So here we can say a message from visitors to our site. We're not happy with that message, we want to be able to delete it. We say admin message path, and we pass in the message we want to delete, which has an ID inside it. And then we say method is delete. We can also set the data, confirm to be are you sure, and we could close this. Alright, so when we refresh the screen, we have the different records here, and red and not red is there, and we have a delete. Alright, so in our controller, let's go ahead and write a delete destroy part of it. So we get the message from the parameters, and we then say message.destroy. And then we redirect the user after destroy back to the page that we're on before, and have a notice on the screen that basically just says message was successfully deleted. Alright, so let's go back in here, and now we can try to delete, and if I click on OK, it was deleted and message was successfully deleted. It's printed up there. Alright, so we have done this section. We have listed our moderators is actually messages, and here we have also completed this section here. Okay, so that is what we have done in this lesson, and in the next lesson we are going to work on the search and making things read and unread. So this is where we end. I'll see you in the next lesson.